Over 87% of drivers are quietly throwing money away on car problems that have ridiculously simple fixes sitting in their kitchen or garage right now. The shocking part? One of these tricks alone can save you hundreds, even thousands, in detailing and repair bills over the next few years. Chances are you've been overlooking these game-changing car hacks your entire driving life. Before you hand over another dollar to a shop, I'm pulling back the curtain on 15 hidden gems that actually work. These aren't gimmicks, they're proven mechanic-approved shortcuts that deliver real results. Stick with me because by the end of this video you'll feel like you just got handed the keys to a secret vault of car knowledge. Let's dive in. Hack number 15, the foil rust eraser. Rust spots popping up on your bumper, doors, or trim. Body shops love quoting $200 to $500 to sand, treat, and repaint those areas. But here's what they rarely tell you. Grab a sheet of aluminum foil from your kitchen, crumple it into a loose ball, and dip it in plain water. Now scrub the rusted spot with gentle circular motions. The aluminum reacts chemically with the iron oxide and lifts the rust away without damaging the paint or metal underneath. For $2 you can treat rust all over your vehicle. The surface comes out clean, the corrosion stops in its tracks, and you just skipped an expensive trip to the shop. What most people don't realize is that aluminum foil is softer than your car's metal, so it polishes rather than scratches. This same method works wonders on chrome trim, alloy wheels, and any oxidized metal. You've got a universal rust remover hiding in your drawer. Shops make serious money on rust repairs and follow-up paint jobs. That's exactly why this trick stays under the radar. Hack number 14, the exhaust shine secret. Black, carbon-caked exhaust tips can make even a clean car look neglected. Detailers charge $60 to bring them back to showroom condition. Here's the garage secret. Spray WD-40 generously onto the tips, let it penetrate for about 30 seconds, then scrub lightly with steel wool or a rough rag in circular motions. The WD-40 breaks down baked-on carbon that soap and water can't touch. Wipe it clean and your tips gleam like new. One $5 can handle multiple cleanings. Carbon on the outside has zero impact on engine health, it's purely cosmetic. Yet dealers use it to create recurring revenue. Bonus, WD-40 leaves a protective film that slows future buildup, making the next cleaning even faster. Once you know this, you become self-sufficient and cut their easy upsells. Hack number 13, the sticky lock fix. Stiff door locks or ignition that feels like it's about to break? Locksmiths and dealers quote $50 150 fast. Skip that. Take an ordinary 2 pencil and rub the graphite tip all over both sides of your key. Insert it into the lock and work it in and out while gently turning. The graphite transfers inside and lubricates every pin perfectly. Your lock operates smoothly again. A pencil costs pennies and fixes every lock on the car. Professional locksmiths use the exact same dry lubricant, they just sell it in fancy spray cans at huge markups. Unlike oily sprays that attract dirt and gum things up, graphite stays dry and effective for months. Every time you use this, a service call evaporates. That's why you never hear about it at the counter. Before we get into the really powerful stuff, if you're learning something valuable here, smash that like button. It helps more drivers discover these hidden tricks mechanics don't talk about. Thanks, now let's keep rolling. Hack number 12, the pedal protector trick. Squeaking, cracking brake or clutch pedals that look worn out? Shops push $40.80 replacements plus labor. Instead, reach for a jar of petroleum jelly or Vaseline. Apply a thin layer to the rubber surfaces and work it into any cracks with your fingers. It restores flexibility, stops the squeaks, and creates a barrier against heat and wear. A $3 jar treats your pedals many times over and dramatically extends their life. Rubber dries out from constant heat cycles more than actual mileage. Conditioning it regularly prevents the cracking that leads to replacement. This same trick revives steering wheel grips, shifter boots, and other interior rubber parts. Mechanics lose easy part sales when you start maintaining instead of replacing. Hack number 11, the wiper blade reviver. Streaking, skipping, or squeaking wipers? Before buying $30.60 replacements, try this. Lightly coat the rubber edges with cooking spray, wipe it along the full length, then run the wipers once to spread it evenly on the glass. The spray restores flexibility and cuts friction instantly. Your blades glide silently again. One $3 can revive multiple sets. Most wiper issues come from dried rubber and surface buildup, not total wear. This trick can add 6 months to a year of life per set, saving you multiple replacement cycles. Shops push blades because they're high margin and rarely questioned. Treating the ones you already own proves most swaps are unnecessary. Hack number 10, the seat stain eliminator. Stubborn stains, odors, and ground-in grime on seats that interior cleaners barely touch? Detailers charge $100 200 for a deep clean. Grab shaving foam or glass cleaner, apply generously, work it in with a soft brush and let it dwell for 5 minutes. The surfactants penetrate fibers, break down stains at the source and lift them out. Wipe clean and the fabric looks refreshed. A $2 can treat your whole interior multiple times. Shaving foam uses the same cleaning chemistry as pro upholstery products, just at a fraction of the price. It works on carpets, mats, headliners, and even leather. Every time a driver learns this, another big detailing ticket disappears. Hack number 9, the window reset trick. Power windows that stop halfway, lose auto function, or act erratic. Dealers often want diagnostics for $50 100 and may quote motor or regulator replacement. Try this first. Roll the window all the way down and hold the button for 3 extra seconds at the bottom. Then roll it all the way up and hold for 3 seconds at the top. The motor relearns its full travel limits. Everything works smoothly again, including the auto-reverse safety feature. This calibration gets lost after battery disconnects or fuse issues. Dealerships charge for the exact same reset because most people assume hardware failure. 30 seconds of your time saves diagnostic fees and potential unnecessary repairs. Hack number 8, the battery corrosion eraser. Sluggish starts and white-blue crust on terminals. Mechanics often push $150 300 battery replacements. Cut a lemon in half, squeeze the juice directly onto the terminals, let it sit 2 minutes, scrub with an old toothbrush, wipe clean, and reconnect. Citric acid neutralizes the alkaline corrosion instantly. Terminals look new and the car starts strong. A lemon costs under $1. Corrosion perfectly mimics a failing battery. Shops count on that confusion. Cleaning every 6 months prevents future issues and can extend battery life by years. That's thousands in avoided replacements over time. Hack number 7, the rubber band phone mount. Tired of buying phone mounts that break, block vents, or scratch your dash? Grab 2 thick rubber bands, loop one vertically around a steering wheel spoke and the other horizontally to form a cross. Slide your phone behind the horizontal band, screen facing you. It holds rock solid through turns and bumps, keeps your navigation in perfect view, and costs nothing. No residue, no broken plastic fins. Accessory companies spend millions convincing you that you need their specialized gear. 2 rubber bands from your drawer solve the problem better and leave 0 damage. Hack number 6, the belt squeal eliminator. Serpentine belt squealing on startup with AC or under load. Before paying $100 200 for replacement, dust the belt generously with baby powder while the engine is off. Start the engine and let it run a minute to distribute. The powder absorbs moisture and reduces slippage noise instantly. A $3 can fixes it in under 2 minutes. Most squeals come from glazing or moisture, not total wear. If the powder solves it permanently, you just saved big. If the noise returns quickly, then replacement is justified. This quick test removes guesswork and protects you from unnecessary repairs. Hack number 5, the DIY oil test strip. Mechanics pushing oil changes every 3,000 miles even on modern synthetics. Buy a pack of oil test strips for about $10. Dip one on your dipstick and compare to the chart. It reveals acidity, contamination, and remaining additive life. You change oil based on actual condition, not arbitrary intervals. Modern synthetics often last 10,000, miles. Those strips can save hundreds per year and strip away the pressure tactics. The oil change business thrives on the old 3,000-mile myth. Test strips break that cycle. Hack number 4, the cool ventilation hack. Stepping into a scorching parked car that feels like an oven. Before cranking the AC, roll down the driver's window fully. Then rapidly open and close the passenger door 5-10 times. Each swing acts like a giant fan, expelling hot trapped air and pulling cooler air in. The interior temperature drops dramatically in under a minute. Crack the opposite window slightly for even faster cross-ventilation. Your AC then works on cooling instead of fighting residual heat. Hack number 3, the windshield apple fog-free. Greasy film, water spots, or haze that wiper fluid can't conquer? Slice an apple in half and rub the cut side across the entire windshield in circular motions. The natural malic acid dissolves mineral deposits in grease. Wipe with a microfiber and enjoy crystal clarity. An apple costs pennies and cleans front, rear, sides, and mirrors. Malic acid is the active ingredient in expensive glass decontaminators. This trick removes haze that makes night driving dangerous and saves you $50 100 detailing fees. Hack number 2, the frozen door preventer. Freezing mornings when door seals are glued shut by ice. Before winter, spray a light coat of cooking spray on all door, trunk, and sunroof rubber seals, then wipe excess. It creates a moisture barrier so seals don't bond to the metal overnight. Doors open effortlessly and the rubber stays conditioned against cracking. $13 can protect $200 400 worth of seals all season long. Prevention beats expensive replacements every time. Hack number 1, the fuel arrow indicator. Pulling up to the wrong side of the pump and stretching the hose across your car? Look at your fuel gauge right now. There's a small arrow or triangle next to the gas pump icon. It points exactly to the side your fuel door is on every single time. This has been a federally required feature on dashboards for decades, yet almost nobody points it out during delivery. It works on every car, rental, or borrowed vehicle you'll ever drive. No more awkward moments at the station. If this video just saved you serious money and frustration, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I'm dropping more mechanic secrets they don't want you to know. Your wallet will thank you. Now check out the next video. Mechanics are hiding even bigger money-saving tricks that most drivers never discover. See you there.